Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use MLM Diary Scraper. First click on the Open Browser button. It will open a dynamic website browser. Now visit the official website of MLM Diary and sign up or sign into your account here. Once done, go back to the tool. Here you can select any user type or can leave it as it is. Enter the city name. Now carefully enter a start pagination number and page end number. To view these paginations, simply go back to the MLM website. Click on MLM database, scroll down to the last of the page. Here you can see the paginations from 1 to 10 or more. Now enter the start page number. And also enter the end page number like 2, 3, 4, or any other. Once done, click on the Add button, then Start. In a few minutes, the records start appearing in the panel. After that, if the phone numbers are missing, then simply click on the Deep Extractor button to get phone numbers. After the process is complete, simply review your results and you can also download or export the results to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.